Codex goals are now available in the Codex app, the IDE extension, and the CLI. This video will describe what goals are, why they are useful, and how to implement them in Codex. The short version is simple. /goal gives Codex a durable objective, so it can keep working toward a verifiable finish line instead of stopping after one normal turn. The timing matters because this moved into the main Codex workflow. OpenAI's May 21st Codex changelog says, goal mode is no longer experimental. It is now available across the app, the IDE extension, and the CLI. That makes it a regular feature for serious coding runs.
A goal is a persistent instruction attached to the active Codex thread. A normal prompt says what to do next. A goal says what outcome Codex should keep driving toward while it works across multiple steps, checks, and decisions. This is effective because agent work usually fails at the handoff between steps. Codex fixes one thing, then waits. You give another instruction, then it waits again. A goal reduces that friction by giving Codex permission to keep checking evidence until the stopping condition is reached. Use /goal when the task is bigger than one prompt but smaller than an open-ended backlog. The official examples are migrations, large refactors, deployment retry loops, experiments, games, prototypes, and prompt optimization against evals. Those tasks all have one thing in common. Codex can make progress, run checks, and keep going. In the Codex app, the simplest version is to type /goal and then the objective. You can also open the official use case page and send the starter prompt into the app. Once set, Codex keeps the goal attached to the thread while work continues. The CLI syntax is the same. Type /goal followed by the objective. Type /goal by itself to inspect the current goal. Then use pause, resume, or clear when the run is blocked, changing direction, or finished. A strong goal has 4 parts. Name the objective, define the stopping condition. Point Codex at the files, docs, logs, issue, or plan it should read first. Then define the commands or artifacts that prove progress. If those pieces are missing, Codex has to guess what success means. For example, a weak goal says migrate the app. A better goal says migrate the project from Vite to Next, keep the existing screens visually identical, run the playwright visual checks after each milestone, keep the unit tests green, and stop if a visual difference needs a product decision. This is different from plan mode. Plan mode helps Codex think through an approach before implementation. Goal mode is for the run itself. Use plan mode when you want a proposal. Use goal mode when you want Codex to keep working toward a specific result. While it runs, ask for compact progress reports. A useful update says the current checkpoint, what was verified, what remains, and whether Codex is blocked. If the report gets vague, tighten the goal instead of piling on unrelated instructions.
The common mistake is making the goal too broad. Do not say improve the app unless Codex knows which app, what improvement means, and how to verify it. Also avoid goals that require taste calls every few minutes. If judgment is needed, put that in the pause condition.
A few patterns work especially well. For debugging, tell Codex to reproduce the issue, isolate the cause, patch the smallest surface area, and prove the failing test now passes. For performance, give it the benchmark and the target number. For migrations, define the old behavior that must stay unchanged. The practical takeaway is to use /goal when the work has a finish line that can be tested. Put the proof inside the goal, keep the scope tight, and tell Codex when to pause. Goals turn a long coding thread into a run with a contract. For more practical AI development tutorials, subscribe to Build Things with AI.